Good morning student, this is your math class. In today we are going to discuss review exercise of chapter 1. First question is write the underlined numbers in words. Now we have given one number that is underlined and we have to write that number in words or we have to write the number name. India won the cricket cup in the year 1983 for the first time. A part is here number is 1983. Okay, this number is underlined. So how we will write this number? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This number is 1983. 1983. Next is the height of Mount Everest is 8848 meters. Next number is that is underlined 8848. How we will write this number? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This number is 8848. 8,848. Next, second question is write whether the numbers are even and odd. Now we have discussed in the previous exercise about even number and odd number. What are the even numbers? If in ones place we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the number is even number. And if in ones place we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then the number is odd number. Now what we have to find, we have to write whether the given number is even number or odd number. Second, A part 2, 3, 5, 2. Here in ones place we have 2. So what it means? This number is even number. Next, B part 6, 3, 5, 1. 6,351. In ones place we have 1. So this, if we have 1 in ones place, then the number is odd number. So this number is odd number. Next, C part 5,236. Here in ones place we have 6. So this number is even number. Next, D part 3,295. Here in ones place we have 5. So if we have 5 in ones place, then the number is odd number. Then this number is odd number. Next question is use correct sign greater than, less than or equal to. Now we have to insert the correct sign greater than, less than, equal to according to the statement. question, A part, 9267. Next number is 9276. First of all, we will count the number of digits. Both the number are of 4 digits. Next, we will compare the digits in thousand place. Both are same. Then what we will do? We will compare the digits in hundred place. Again, both are same. Next, we will compare the digit in tens place. Here it is 6 and here it is 7. 6 tens, these are greater than, these are less than 7 tens. So what it means, this number is less than this number. So 9267 less than 9276. Next, B part, 3756. Then 3000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 6. First of all, we will write short form of this number. In ones place we have 6, in tens place we have 7, in hundred place we have 5, and in thousand place we have 3. So next we will compare the digits in thousand place. 3, both are same. Next we will compare the digit in hundred place. Here it is 7 and in this number it is 5. So 7 is greater than 5. Then what it means, this number is greater than this number. Next, C part, 2456 and here we have 2451. We will compare the digits in thousand place. Both are same. Next we will compare the digit in hundred place. Both are same. Next we will compare the digit in tens place. Both are same. Next we will compare the digit in ones place. Here it is 6 and here it is 1. 6 is greater than 1. Next, D part, 6000 plus 100 plus 10. 6110. So in ones place we have 0. In tens place we have 1. In hundred place we have 1 and in thousand place we have 1. So this number is 6110 and this number is also 6110. Both are equal. Next, arrange the following number in ascending order. Now what we have to do, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Question 4. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. First question is 4567. Next, 5467. 7654. Next, 6457. When we have to arrange the number in ascending order, then what we have to do, we have to write the smallest number as the starting number and then we have to write the number greater than that number and so on. So firstly we will compare the digits in thousand place. 4, 5, 7, 6, which is the smallest? 4. So it means 4567. This is the smallest number. Next we have 3 numbers, and which is the smallest number among these 3 numbers? 5467. Next we have 2 numbers, and which is the smallest number among these numbers? 6457. Next we have 7654. Now these numbers are in ascending order. Next B part. 9909, 9990, 999. Next 9999. So first of all we will count the number of digits. Here this number is of 3 digits and all the other numbers are of 4 digits. So this is the smallest number because it has 3 digits and the others have 4 digits. The number which have less number of digits, that is the smallest number. So 999. Next we have 3 numbers and we have to find the smallest among these numbers. So we will compare the digits in thousand place, all are same. Next we will compare the digit in 100 place, 999, all are same. Next we will compare the digits in tens place, 0, 9, 9, which is the smallest? 0. So 9909. This is the smallest number among these 3 numbers. Now we have 2 numbers and we have to find the smallest among these 2 numbers. So we will compare the digits in thousand place, both are same. Next we will compare the digits in 100 place, both are same. Next we will compare the digits in tens place, both are same. Next we will compare the digits in ones place. Here it is 0, it is 9. So which is the smallest? 0. Then 9990, this is the smallest digit. Next 9999. So this was all about ascending order. Next question number 5. Arrange the following number in descending order. Here we have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Now we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. When we have to arrange the numbers in descending order, we have to write the greatest number as the starting number and then find the greatest number among the remaining numbers and so on. Or we can say we have to move downwards or from greatest to smallest. So A part is 6334, 6433, 4633, 6343. So first of all we have to find the greatest number. We will compare the digits in thousand place. 6646. Next 4 is less than 6. So it means it can't be a greatest digit. Next we will compare the digits in 100 place. 343, which is the greatest? 4. So what it means, this is the greatest number. 6433. Now we have three numbers. So which is the greatest among these three numbers? Firstly, we will compare the digits in thousand place. 6, 4, 6. 6 is greater than 4. So we will compare the digits in next place. Here it is 3, here it is 3. These are same. Next we will compare the digits in tens place. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. 4 is greater than 3. So this means this is the greatest number among these three numbers, 6343. Now we have two numbers, which is the greatest. So now we will compare the digits in thousand place. Here it is 6 and here it is 4. 6 is greater than 4. So what it means, this is the greatest, 6334 among these two digits. Now we have only one digit and we will write it as the last number. Now these numbers are in descending order. Next B part. 2932, 2523, 2253, 2325. Which is the greatest? 2932. Next we have three numbers. Which is the greatest? 2523. Now we have two numbers. Which is the greatest? 2325. And last we have 2253. Now these numbers are in descending order. Next question 6. Form the smallest and greatest 4-digit number using the given digits. Now we have given 4 digits in first sum, and in second sum we have given 3 digits. And what we have to do, we have to make the smallest and greatest 4-digit number by using these digits. A part, we have given 4019. Firstly, we have to make the smallest number, and then we have to make the greatest. So when we have to make the smallest number, then what we have to do, we will arrange these digits in ascending order. But here it is 0, which is the smallest digit. But we can't write 0 as the starting digit. So what we will do, we will find the smallest digit among the remaining digits. 419. Here 1 is the smallest digit. Next we will write 0, then 4, then 9. This is the smallest number. And next we have to make the greatest 4-digit number by using these digits. So when we have to make the greatest 4-digit number, then we will arrange these digits in descending order. First of all, we will write the greatest digit. 9 is the greatest digit. Then the greatest digit among these 3 digits. Then 4 is the greatest digit among these 3 digits. Then we have 2 digits, 0 and 1. 1 is the greatest digit and then 0. So greatest number is 9410. Next B part, 935. Now we have given 3 numbers and we have to make 4-digit smallest number. So when we have to make the smallest number, what we will do? We will arrange these digits in ascending order. First of all, we will write the smallest digit. After that, the digit that is smallest among the remaining digits, and so on. And here we have given 3 digits, but we have to make a 4-digit number. Then what we will do? We will repeat the smallest digit when we have to make the smallest 4-digit number. So number is 3. 3 is the smallest digit. Now we have 2 digits, 9 and 5, which is the smallest? 5. Next we will write 5 and then we will write 9. Similarly, when we have to make the greatest 4-digit number, then we will repeat the greatest digit 2 times. Then when we have to make the greatest number, then what we will do? We will arrange these digits in descending order. First of all, we will write the greatest digit. Which is the greatest digit? 9. And we will repeat this digit. 9, 9. After that 5. After that 3. This is the greatest 4-digit number by using these 3 digits. Next, encircle the smallest number. First of all, we have to encircle the smallest number. A part, we have 5004. Next, 5040. Next, 4555. Next, 5054. Here we have to find the smallest number. Then what we will do? First of all, we will count the number of digits. All the numbers are of 4 digits. Then we will compare the digit in thousand place. Here we have 5545, which is the smallest? 4. So what it means? 4555. This is the smallest number. Then B part, 3377. Next, 3737. Next, 3773. Next, 3338. Then how we will find the smallest number among these 4 numbers? First of all, we will count the number of digits. All the numbers are of 4 digits. Then we will compare the digit in thousand place. 3333. All are same. Next we will compare the digit in hundred place. 3773. Here which is smallest? 3. But we have 3 at 2 places. So we will compare its next digit. Here in tens place, here it is 7 and here it is 3. Which is the smallest? 3. So what it means? 3338. This is the smallest number. Next, 8th question. Encircle the greatest number. Now we have to encircle the greatest number. A part, 6507, 6057, next 6075, next 6570. Which is the greatest number? First of all, we will compare the digits in thousand place. All are same. Next, we will compare the digit in hundred place. 5005. Which is greatest? 5. But we have 5 at 2 places. Next, we will compare next place. Here it is 0. Here it is 7. Which is greatest? 7. So it means 6570. This is the greatest number. Then B part 6,354, 4,353, 3,634, 4,635. Which is the greatest digit? Number, sorry. We will compare the digits in thousand places. 6,434. Which is the greatest? 6. So what it means? 6,354. This is the greatest number. Next, ninth question. On the occasion of World Water Day, 4,567 residents of Manu Society and 3,942 residents of Asha Society took an oath to save water. For which society did more people took the oath? So now we have given that two societies had take oath to save water. In which society did more people took the oath? So in Manu Society, how many people are there? 4,567. And in Asha Society, how many people are there? In Asha Society, how many people are there? 3,942. Which society has greater number of people? Manu Society. So answer is Manu Society. Manu Society